Hi everyone. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart, literally. It's all about nourishing your heart with the power of a healthy diet. Your heart works tirelessly, day and night, to keep you going. Just like a car needs the right fuel, your heart thrives on nutritious foods. A heart-healthy diet isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that taste great and fuel your body. So let's dive in and discover how simple changes in your diet can make a world of difference for your heart health. This year's dietary guidelines emphasize delicious foods that love your heart right back. It's not just about eating less or cutting out certain foods. It's about embracing a variety of nutrient-rich options that can make your meals both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. By focusing on a balanced diet, you can improve your overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Think of it as a rainbow on your plate. Each color represents different nutrients that your body needs. Red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and strawberries are rich in antioxidants, while green ones like spinach and broccoli are packed with vitamins and minerals. By including a variety of colors in your diet, you ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables. They are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly nutritious. Fresh produce is a great source of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Try to incorporate a mix of raw and cooked vegetables in your meals to maximize their nutritional benefits. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. This might sound like a lot, but it's easier than you think. Start your day with a fruit smoothie. Add a side salad to your lunch, snack on carrot sticks or an apple, and include a couple of vegetable sides with your dinner. Small changes can add up to a big impact on your health. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vitamins like A, C, and E, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium play vital roles in bodily functions. Fiber helps with digestion and can keep you feeling full longer, which is beneficial for weight management. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet ensures you get these important nutrients. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are less processed and retain more of their natural nutrients. They are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Switching to whole grains can be a simple yet effective way to improve your diet. Opt for brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These grains are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to main courses. They not only add texture and flavor to your meals, but also provide essential nutrients that support overall health. Experiment with different whole grains to find your favorites. They're packed with nutrients and fiber. Pick lean protein sources. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu are lower in saturated fat and can help build and repair tissues. Including a variety of protein sources in your diet ensures you get all the essential amino acids your body needs. Include fish, chicken without the skin, beans, lentils, and tofu in your diet. These protein sources are not only healthy, but also versatile. You can grill, bake, or stir-fry them to create delicious and nutritious meals. Incorporating a variety of proteins can keep your diet interesting and satisfying. Don't forget about healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall cell health. They can also help you feel full and satisfied after meals, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are your heart's best friends. These fats are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Including these healthy fats in your diet can support cardiovascular health. They provide essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, are crucial for brain function and cell growth. Since our bodies can't produce these fats, it's important to get them from our diet. Incorporating a variety of healthy fats ensures you get these vital nutrients. Transitioning to a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with small, manageable steps. Swap out sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits. Read food labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and especially sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Plan your meals ahead of time. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive, unhealthy snacks. Cook at home more often. This way you control the ingredients and can make adjustments to suit your dietary needs. Remember, every small change adds up. You've got this. Let's talk about delicious meals that are easy to prepare and good for your heart. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With a few simple ingredients and some creativity, you can whip up meals that are both tasty and beneficial for your cardiovascular health. Today, we'll explore a variety of dishes that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep your heart happy and healthy. First up, we have salmon with roasted vegetables. Start by seasoning fresh salmon fillets with a blend of your favorite herbs and spices. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Roast them alongside your favorite vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and bell peppers. These vegetables are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a perfect complement to the salmon. Simply place everything on a baking sheet and roast until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. Next, we have chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Use skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Stir-fry with a mix of colorful vegetables and a light sauce. Think bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, and broccoli. These vegetables not only add vibrant colors to your dish, but also provide a range of nutrients. Serve the stir-fry over brown rice, which is a whole grain and a good source of fiber, to make it a complete meal. For a comforting option, try lentil soup. This hearty soup is packed with protein and fiber, making it a filling and nutritious choice. Lentils are also a great source of iron and folate, which are important for maintaining healthy blood. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery in a pot until they are soft and fragrant. Then add the lentils and stir to combine. These vegetables form the base of the soup and add depth of flavor. Add vegetable broth and simmer until the lentils are tender. You can also add some spices like cumin and coriander for an extra kick. Let the soup simmer until all the flavors meld together, and you have a delicious, hearty meal. Lastly, we have avocado and black bean salad. Combine black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, avocado, and a lime cilantro dressing. This salad is not only refreshing but also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. This salad is refreshing, nutritious, and perfect for lunch or dinner. The creamy avocado pairs perfectly with the tangy lime cilantro dressing, making it a delightful dish that you can enjoy any time of the day. So there you have it, 4 delicious and nutritious meals that are easy to prepare and great for your heart. Enjoy! Section 5. Lifestyle Changes. Beyond the Plate for a Healthier Heart. In this section, we will explore the various lifestyle changes that can significantly improve your heart health. These changes go beyond just the food you consume and encompass a holistic approach to well-being. Remember, a heart-healthy lifestyle is about more than just what you eat. It's about creating a balanced and fulfilling life that supports your overall health. This includes engaging in physical activities, maintaining social connections, and finding joy in everyday moments. It's about taking care of your whole self. This means paying attention to your mental, emotional, and physical health. By nurturing all aspects of your well-being, you can create a strong foundation for a healthy heart. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Whether it's jogging in the park, joining a group fitness class, or doing a home workout, find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily life. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or yoga. Regular exercise helps to strengthen your heart, improve circulation, and boost your overall energy levels. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Stress management is essential for heart health, as chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Spending time in nature can be incredibly rejuvenating. Whether it's a walk in the forest, a hike on a nature trail, or simply sitting in a park, connecting with nature can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep is vital for heart health, as it allows your body to repair and regenerate. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and free from distractions. Connect with loved ones, engage in hobbies you enjoy, and cultivate a positive outlook on life. Social connections and engaging in activities that bring you joy can have a profound impact on your heart health. Laughter, creativity, and a positive mindset are all powerful tools for maintaining a healthy heart. By embracing a holistic approach to your well-being, you can go beyond the plate and create a lifestyle that supports a healthier heart. Section 6. The power of exercise. Get moving for a stronger heart. Exercise is like a magic pill for your heart. And the best part? It's free and has no side effects. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. It could be brisk walking, dancing, swimming, cycling, or gardening. Start gradually and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're first starting out. Make exercise a social activity. Invite a friend to join you for a walk or join a fitness class. Section 7. Stress less, live more. Managing stress for optimal heart health. Chronic stress can take a toll on your heart. It's crucial to find healthy coping mechanisms. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's spending time in nature, listening to music, or pursuing hobbies. Talk to someone you trust about what's stressing you out. Prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Section 8. Breaking bad habits, alcohol, smoking, and your heart. Certain habits can sabotage your heart health. It's time to break free. If you smoke, quitting is the single most important thing you can do for your heart. Talk to your doctor about resources and support to help you quit. Limit your alcohol intake. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Avoid secondhand smoke as much as possible. Section 9. Conclusion. A heart-healthy future starts today. Congratulations on taking charge of your heart health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. Embrace a healthy diet, incorporate regular exercise, manage stress effectively, and break free from habits that harm your heart. You have the power to live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Start making these positive changes today, and watch your heart thank you for years to come.